Hi, I'm Michael from iSeek Blinds. In this video today, I'm going to tell you how easy it is to measure for an inside mount roller blind. Now, the first thing we need to do is make sure we've got those check measure worksheets nice and handy, because that's going to enable you to get all the right information that we need so that you can measure the blinds and you can also order the blinds perfectly from iSeek Blinds. And we want you to come out with a great result. So the check measure worksheets are really important. Now, when we are determining that we are able to put our roller blind inside the window frame, what we're looking for is 60 millimeters of clearance. Now that 60 mils of clearance has to go all the way from the left hand side of the recess all the way through to the right hand side, so the blind can sit all the way from left to right, and we don't want it to hit anything or be obstructed by anything on its journey from this side all the way through to that side there. So just want to show you what the size of the brackets are and just give you a better idea. This is a male bracket that connects the chain drive onto a single roller blind, and this bracket is 50 millimeters wide from there to there, and it's 65 millimeters tall from the top there to the bottom. So I just want to fit a chain drive onto that there for you and just show you that that's what it looks like from the end view there, and that distance from there to there is 60 millimeters, and that's why we need that clearance. So the clearance is really important. Okay, now when we come to measure the roller blind inside the window frame and we've got the 60 millimeters clearance, it's really important that we measure the roller blind at the top of the recess. I can't stress that enough. It's critical that we measure from the top of the recess. Now what I like to do is put the tape measure here on one side and then come across the top of the window frame, or come across the top of the architrave, and just measure right into that spot there, which is that size. And I can see that I've got 900, 990, 995, 96, 97, 98. So this measurement here is 998 millimeters. And you can see my measure is nice and tight, and it's also straight. So that's the measurement, the top of the recess from that side to that side there. To measure the drop, we're measuring from the underside of the recess to the bottom here, and that's our drop size. So it's really important that you don't make any deductions from those sizes, and you just tell us exactly what that opening size is, and those are the two measurements that we require. Now, when you are determining that you're putting the blind inside the recess, I'm going to install this blind in a few moments, and you're going to see that this is a front rolling roller blind. So see, it's got this beautiful soft valance look, and it kind of looks like a bit of a waterfall. So that's generally what I use for an inside mounted roller blind. However, you can just cheat a little bit and swing this blind over. That's what a back rolling roller blind looks like, and you can see the fabrics coming off the back of the tube and down. Now I'd just like to install this blind very quickly for you, and it's this simple click click. So you can see I've got my inside mounted roller blind, I've got my 60 millimeters clearance. This particular blind here is front rolling, and generally with the window I may have a little winder here, I might have a lock here. So you can see by front rolling the blind, then I'm bringing the fabric to the front of the recess, and I think I'm coming out with a beautiful look. It's really that simple. Thanks for watching.